Gagawa tayo ng chicken rice. Style Singapore chicken rice. Nandito ng atin. Naluto na siya. So, gagawa tayo ng sauce. This one. Meron tayong lemon. Meron tayong chili. Meron tayong garlic. Meron tayong ginger. At meron tayong soup. Ang soup, kinuha ko to sa chicken na pinakuluan ko. This one, guys, like Singapore chicken rice. So, guys, this one boiling for 40 minutes. So, I think, okay, ready. Meron tayong fishball and mushroom. Yan, guys, kahit ano gusto niyo ilagay sa chicken rice, okay. Yan, guys, itry nyo lang to. Fry lang yan, guys. Basta ang sinabaw ko yung nilaga sa chicken. Chicken rice, like Singapore style. Thank you for watching. Ihanda na natin. Kay mamaya, i-cutting natin. Chicken rice style Singapore.
So you want to eat less. Less chicken rice until tonight one.
Sorry.